In this video, we're going to look at how to link sheets together within an Excel file. And specifically, we're going to look at a summary sheet that's linked together with 4 different sheets. And basically, that summary sheet is getting its information from the 4 sheets that it is linked to. Now, once again, the summary sheet is being populated by the other 4 sheets that it's linked to. Let's begin by looking at our file. The name of the file is FIT 1003 Chapter 2 Review. And let's begin by looking at the sheet called Year-End Summary. What we see are 12 different stores. There's also a listing of the 4 quarters, and then the total, which represents the yearly total. I've already done some quick formulas that will calculate, once this information is filled in, what the yearly totals are and also the quarterly totals. The key here, we have a summary sheet, 12 stores, 4 quarters, no information yet. And we're going to fill in that information by looking at quarter 1 sheet, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to begin by clicking within our sheet, Year-End Summary. And we're going to start off at quarter 1 sales for store 1. And how we're going to link to the correct information in the quarter 1 sheet is we're going to use a reference formula. Now, the key to a reference formula is that it is a formula. And as we know, all formulas begin with an equal sign. So we're going to start off by putting in an equal sign. What we need to retrieve is the total sales for store 1 in quarter 1. So we're going to do that by clicking on quarter 1 sheet. Once we're within quarter 1 sheet, we're going to click on the cell E6, which represents the total sales for quarter 1 for store 1. Once again, our formula is kind of showing us that the information is coming from the quarter 1 sheet in cell E6. Number is 600. We can either click on the check mark or hit enter. It jumps us back to our summary sheet. And the key point here is that our summary sheet is showing a formula. It's 600, but where that 600 is coming from is the sheet by the name of quarter 1 in cell E6. So we've used a reference formula to retrieve that information. That is the correct pattern. We're going to go to the fill handle and copy that pattern down. And then let's check this last formula. The last formula is for store number 12 in quarter 1. And where it's coming from is a sheet by the name of quarter 1 in cell E17. Next, let's go to quarter 2. We're going to use our reference formula again. Equal. We're looking now for information pertaining to quarter 2 sheet. So we're going to click on the quarter 2 sheet. And we're going to click on cell E6. Check mark. Double check our formula. And what it's telling us is that this $600 is coming from the sheet by the name of quarter 2 in cell E6. Let's go to our fill handle and copy that information down, or copy that pattern. Quarter 3, once again, we're going to use our linking or reference formula. Equal. We're looking for quarter 3 information. So we're going to click on the sheet named quarter 3. Click up here. So once again, what our formula is showing now for quarter 3 equal quarter 3 in cell E6, check mark. Our information has come over, where once again it's showing that the $600 is coming from the sheet by the name of quarter 3 in cell E6. Let's go to our fill handle, copy that down. Lastly, let's do quarter 4, our reference formula or linking formula equal. Click on sheet quarter 4. Click on cell E6, which represents our total for the last quarter of the year for store 1. Check mark. Go to our fill handle and copy that pattern down. Our summary sheet is now complete. Once again, we're in that year-end summary sheet. And the summary sheet has been populated by the 4 linked sheets. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. In all cases, the summary sheet is using reference formulas to retrieve information from the sheets by the name of quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. That said, one of the more powerful aspects of using reference formulas or linked formulas is that we can make our summary sheet dynamic. It can change. The summary sheet is based upon the information in the other 4 sheets. So if information changes in any of the 4 sheets, that will automatically be reflected in our summary sheet. It's dynamic. It's always changing. For instance, let's click on the quarter 4 sheet. And let's say that we need to make a change for quarter 4 for store 12 for the December sales. We're going to change it. We're going to increase it by quite a bit. We're going to make it 1,000. Hit enter. Everything is changed here. But more importantly, by clicking on the year-end summary sheet, we can now see that that information has automatically been updated. Because once again, it's linked to that quarter 4 sheet information in that cell E17. So as we make changes to any of these 4 sheets, they will automatically be upgraded to our summary sheet. It's a tremendously powerful formula, and it's something that's always being used in business to show summary sheets. Thank you.